Shiba Inu is crashing. What do you do with your Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu holders warning. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a look at what the heck is going on with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is crashing alongside so many other cryptocurrencies. Is it time to panic sell or is this a time to panic dip? Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button to reach your 2024 crypto goals. So many crazy things happening in the crypto market. Post Bitcoin happening, we're seeing a whole frenzy take place. Everyone thought that we would see Bitcoin and all the meme coins go in an upward rally post happening, but unfortunately that hasn't been the case. We've been seeing a lot of dipping, then last week or early last week we saw some rise, and then boom, we're seeing a sell-off again. What the heck is going on with the crypto market? We're gonna go ahead and take a look at Shiba Inu today. Shiba Inu down 7.8% on the day, and unfortunately it's looking like a very bearish sentiment. The technical analysis are showing selling. We see a big red sell-off, down 7% on the day, 17% on the week, 25% on the month. Is the end of Shiba Inu. So guys, first things first, before we even continue talking about if this is the end of Shiba Inu or not, if you're buying into Shiba Inu at all during the bear market, why would you not buy now? Everyone, when Shiba Inu started pumping, everyone's trying to load up the bag at the top. If anything, I'm seeing this as a discount sale. Do you genuinely think Shiba Inu is over? After the entire bear market, Shiba Inu surviving, it rallying at the beginning of the bull market, do you really think it's over? There's gonna be a lot of fun in the marketplace right now, especially for tokens like Shiba Inu. But the point is these dog theme tokens are here to stay. And talking about dog theme tokens, let's go ahead and quickly take a look at a pre-sale gem, and we'll come back to Shiba Inu in a second, that you absolutely want to ape into. This one is DogeVerse. Again, those who got into Shiba Inu early are earning a solid bag. Now imagine you're able to buy into Shiba Inu's pre-sale. This is the opportunity you have with DogeVerse, the world's first chain traveling Doge. They have a big innovation because it's a multi-chain token. It's on ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Base, and Solana. It's multi-chain. It's all utilizing a superior bridge technology. DogeVerse will seamlessly be multi-chain in a few clicks. So it's multi-chain. Not just that, they have a solid roadmap in place. They have great tokenomics with pre-sale allocation, staking, project funds, liquidity, marketing, ecosystem, and exchanges. And you heard that right. They're staking as well. So not only can you buy in super early, but you can stake your tokens as well, earning up to 88% with dynamic range staking, meaning the price of the staking is going to go up and down, and you're going to earn a lot of money on your DogeVerse. If you do want to buy a bag of DogeVerse, I'm going to link it in the description below. So make sure you check it out, because again, this project is going to go absolutely ballistic. They've already raised $12.6 million in a span of a month. So again, it's going to go crazy. Now, back to Shiba Inu. Remember, guys, Shiba Inu is not just a meme token anymore. It's a full-fledged utility token with SHIB token, Bone token, Leash token, with Shibarium, SHIB swap, the Shiboshis, their NFT collection, their magazines or their comic books, you call them. They are flipping everywhere. It's far past a meme coin now, right? Even with the technicals, right? Unfortunately, right now, technicals are showing selling sentiments. People are selling. We're seeing selling for the summary, selling for oscillators, selling for moving averages. When we look at the 4 hours, we're seeing strong selling for moving averages. However, oscillators are indicating buy. So again, there's a lot of things to consider. Your overall summary is there's a lot of selling taking place in the market, and obviously this is good and bad. It's good because you can buy it at a low price. It's bad because obviously it's causing it to dump, and unfortunately, with people's psychology, when they see it's red, everyone starts selling and a whole panic fleet starts happening, and that's why we're seeing this token basically dump all month, right? It's been a crazy downwards trend, right? Down 25%. We're still up in terms of past 6 months, which is great, but again, I'm genuinely seeing this as a buying opportunity. Now, there's a ton of articles going around about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu token estimates when would SHIB hit 1 cent. Shiba Inu finished Ethereum to get tested. Cardano finally enters the uptrend. SHIB warning. There's so many, there's good news like a 1 cent SHIB, and then there's bad news. There's gonna be so much fun in the marketplace, and it's quite typical. And again, I don't think there's any malicious intent behind the FUD. In this case, it's not like some of the other like meme coins where they're maliciously attacking a project to be malicious. I think it's just a point where people want to cover anything. Like they want some news on Shiba Inu. They want some news on Shiba Inu, and that's exactly what's taking place. But there's a couple articles here, right? Shiba Inu team estimates when SHIB could hit 1 cent. The price correction in the backdrop, Shiba Inu seems to be garnering focus yet again, and investors await trajectory. SHIB currently trading at this price following a 5% daily drop. However, discussing abroad within the community about a possibility for potential rebound. However, amidst this, a bold prediction stands out. We see Lucy, a prominent member of the SHIB ecosystem, previously voiced her confidence in SHIB's future. She particularly envisioned a scenario where Shiba Inu reaches 1 cent mark. Despite its current scenario, the skeptics around SHIB rise, and Lucy seems resolute. Despite a period of stagnation in Q4 of 2023, the community has shed light on the impressive performance of SHIB at the start of late February, pushing past skepticism. Lucy highlighted the gradual nature of a great significant price increase. So you can see, will Shiba Inu realistically reach 1 cent, guys? Again, it's possible. Even with the timeline, we're seeing somewhere between 2033 and 2040, which again, if you really think about it, if you're buying it at today's price, and this hits 1 cent, right? So if you want to be a millionaire with Shiba Inu and you bought 1 million tokens, that would cost you, or 100 million tokens, that would cost you $2,222 in today's price in USD. Now, if this really went to 1 cent, that $2,200 would have turned into $1 million. Now, again, that sounds crazy, sounds unrealistic, but literally anything's possible in the crypto world. But remember, none of this is financial advice. Let me know how you guys are feeling about Shiba Inu in the comment section below. And let me know if you're gonna grab a bag of DogeVerse as well. That pretty much wraps for the video. Like always, not financial advice. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.